How to draw Mr. Man characters. Episode 5. How to draw Mr. Sneeze. Hi artist drawers. Today we're going to be drawing Mr. Sneeze today. Wachoo! And part 1 is the outline. So let's get coloring into it. Wachoo! Mom?
Yes?
What color do we need for the outline?
I think black.
Yep, black is the right color we need. Okay, let's get into it. Wachoo! First, we start off with 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Your turn. Good. And whenever the video is short, wachoo! Pause the video if you like to. That will get more time for you. Okay, back to drawing. Wachoo! Second, we draw the feet. 1, 2. Your turn. Good. Now, wachoo! You draw Mr. Sneeze's eyes, nose, and mouth. Surprised mouth, okay? Your turn. Good. Now, you draw Mr. Sneeze's triangles around the body. I don't want to make mine ugly, so that's just what it is. Okay, we're doing it. This is not ugly at all. Your turn. Good. Wachoo! Now you draw Mr. Sneeze's pupils. 1, 2 pupils. Your turn. Good. But now, we're done with the outline. Wachoo! And one more step you have forgotten of. Draw Mr. Sneeze's name. Your turn. Good. Now we're back to done drawing with the outline. Great job drawing with me. Stay tuned for part 2. Okay, see you later. Wachoo!